Hello everybody, Jordan Nelson here. Today's going to be a pretty quick video because I am pushing it. I have to make dinner because my wife's out running errands. I have a meeting at 6:30, so this is typically how my videos go. I just try to squeeze it in as best I can. And today, I'm going to showcase the flowers my wife got from Walmart because spring. Let's get started. Alright, so I got a question recently about how to book your first wedding. Oh, here comes that sun. I could see it peeking through. Things are about to get really yellow and really bright. There it is. There it is. I always seem to pick days to shoot when it's partly cloudy. I don't have like a light set up. I don't know, whatever. So obviously asking around with family and friends, that is the easiest way to get your first wedding film booked. If you have a cousin or something who's getting married, you go ahead and do theirs for free. Awesome. Like that was easy. Now you have a wedding under your belt and now you can put that in your portfolio and market that. So that one's the really easy and obvious one, but what if you don't know someone personally who's getting married? How do you find that first client that is just going to have to trust you because you don't have any work to show them? And I'm going to talk about two different scenarios here because maybe you have some video work that isn't wedding filmmaking work, it's some other video work that you've done, and that is actually very helpful. But if you don't have anything, we're going to talk about that as well. So make sure you listen to all the tips in this video as well, because if you missed the last one, it's a really key important thing that kind of informs all of the other tips. So like I said, people that you personally know, that one's easy, offer to do it for free, there you go. Now another really good option is to put out some feelers on social media with people that you know, because chances are you're connected to somebody somehow that knows somebody who's getting married. So maybe it's your college friend's cousin's daughter who's getting married. But if they see a Facebook post saying, I'm trying to get into wedding videography, I'm willing to do something for free. Maybe your college friend's cousin's daughter wasn't planning on getting a wedding video in the first place, but now they know they can get one for free. Maybe they're considering it and now there's some sort of connection there. So put out some feelers, even if you don't know someone personally, because all you need is one. You just need to get that first one to have that portfolio. That's the key. So just getting that one connection could just be a matter of you putting something out there. Now, if you have some previous video work, totally leverage that. Say that I've done video before. You're not just someone who's just walking in with a video camera that you haven't really used a whole lot before, but show them that work. Show them the quality of the other stuff you've done. If it's real estate, awesome. Or if it's promo videos, cool. And now you want to get into wedding stuff, that's great. Now, if you don't have any previous video work, that's totally fine. You can also use this tactic, putting it out so you're going to do stuff for free. If it's free, people might just bite for it just because it's free and you'll have a video camera there. But we'll hit a little bit more on that in a second. Now, another tip to kind of just up the ante on that is if you do have a portfolio of video work, you've done that real estate stuff, you've done promo videos, you've done things before, you have video work that you can put out there and show people, make that website, put yourself on the knot.com, make a Google listing for yourself, like a Google business, make a Facebook page specifically for your video stuff. And maybe if you're putting stuff out on social media or on your website, you're saying, I am a videographer or, filmmaker or whatever, who is transitioning or wanting to add on wedding videography or wedding filmmaking, because now you've established that you are already a videographer, you have things to show for the work that you've done, but now you're just transitioning into this type. And then you say, I'm gonna do the first two for free. So like first come, first serve. So there may be couples who would not have booked a videographer otherwise, but no, here's this videographer coming up for free. Absolutely want to book him. So this one's a bit more intentional, saying I'm going to make sure my work is out there. I have an online presence. I can be easily contacted. Now let's say you don't have any video work in your portfolio, or you've done video stuff and played around with your camera in the past, but you don't have anything that you would put out there as a portfolio to show people that you would be a good wedding videographer. I would say still put yourself out there on social media, like make a knot listing, make even a website. And on the website, you're not going to have any work to show, but you're going to have a place where people can contact you easily. You're going to have an email address in there or a form. Basically what you're saying is, I'm going to do this for free. Do you want a free wedding videographer? Like putting keywords saying like free wedding videographer. Yes, you're not going to keep it like that forever. I know it kind of sounds like it's a bad look, like this is not going to be a good videographer, but you don't have any proof that you're going to be a good videographer. You might be amazing. You may be better than I am right off the bat. Totally cool. But if you don't have anything to prove that on the front end, people making the leap, you can't really prove it. So basically what you're going to want to do is just make yourself easy to contact and easy to find, and that it's easily understood that you are free and that it's really a no-risk thing for the couple, especially if they weren't going to do it in the first place. Now, of course, this isn't ideal. So this is that last tip that I was talking about that kind of undergirds all of this. If you don't have any portfolio or any previous video work, while you're looking for that first wedding video client, be practicing with your camera, be trying to find some type of other video work that you can put into that portfolio. So that might be a promo for a friend who's a photographer or something. Maybe do like a little interview or some B-roll of them, on the job doing their thing. Maybe a small business owner that you can make a little promo for, something to show that you know your way around a camera and can make high quality video. It could be totally different than what wedding videography is, but you don't have anything to show yet. So try to find something. Maybe even it's like a little travel video that you made. Just make sure it is of some quality that if people see that, they're like, I think they'd be able to handle some wedding videography. I trust them. I do have a video on how to kickstart your video career. So if you want to check that out, up above or in the description below, it'll give you some options, maybe help you think through how to get some work in your portfolio to start off. But really, I know a lot of you are at different places. Maybe you're older and wanting to get in the wedding videography field, so you don't have a ton of people that you know that are getting married. Or maybe you're in high school or early college or something, you don't know a ton of people getting married. You're trying to figure out, how do I get that first one? I hope these tips are helpful. I hope you can still put yourself out there, whether you have a portfolio or not. If you do, absolutely leverage it. And you're just gonna go have to seek that out. You're gonna go have to talk to people, build those relationships, the networking. I mean, with wedding videography and a lot of video stuff in general, it's a lot of word of mouth. So if you know people who know people who know people, ask your coworkers. You're gonna have to be a little tenacious on the front end if you don't personally know someone getting married. So make yourself easy to contact and then go out and find people who are getting married and just make yourself really easy and really available to work with, because all you need is that one first wedding. That's it. And then you can build off of that. So yeah, I hope that was helpful. I think I got that question just like this morning. I was like, I think I have some thoughts on this, and I don't know the next time I'm gonna be able to make a video this week. So I'm just gonna run home real quick, make this video with some nice pretty flowers, set up my camera on my tripod and do the thing. And now it is time to make dinner. I'll edit this sometime, so I'm not sure if it's next week or if it's tomorrow. So thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments below, or any tips that you would add, any successes that you've had in booking your first wedding. I did not do an exhaustive list of ideas. I just think this is some places to start. So you go ahead and add those in the comments below. If you like this video, please go ahead and click that subscribe button. I have a lot more videos just like this on the channel related to wedding videography, as well as just video creation in general and the business of it. So if you're into that, consider subscribing. Thank you all so much for watching. See you all in the next video.